everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing an Easter box. I am on an Easter roll. I already created a couple projects. Some of them are so cute, but I love this one. And so it's got the little bunny on it, and I've been wanting to use this bunny, and he's from A Good Day. I told you I love this stamp set. I've used it I think several times for different projects. It's one of my favorite, and it's got so many different cute images that you can color. I'm going to use my Stampin' Blends to color him. He's so cute. And then the paper again is the Fresh Florals. This is our In Color Designer Series paper pack, and it is gorgeous. The paper is super pretty. I showed it in my St. Patrick's Day box that I did, this box right here. If you haven't seen the video for this, you can go check it out on my blog at stampingwithamore.com or on YouTube, and it's super cute. And it holds one of those little Hostess cupcakes. It's actually one of the snowballs. So that's the box, but this is the same Designer Series paper, only in the Lemon Lime Twist. This one is the powder pink, and so this is what I'm sharing, and I love the ribbon on this. I just doubled some of our powder pink. We forgot what it's called. The weave. Let's see. It's called Finely Woven. So it's this one right here, and then I just topped it with our organza white ribbon. I love this ribbon. It's gorgeous. So that's what I'm using for that. So let's get started with the measurements here. So you're going to need a piece of powder pink for this. You can make these in any of the Designer Series colors. They are really springy, and they would be really cute for Easter. And if you didn't want to give a pink one to a boy, you can make a Lemon Lime Twist, or you can use the Dapper Denim. They're all really pretty colors. So then for this piece, it's 6 1/4 by 7 7/8. Yes, I know some of you don't like the 1/8 inch, but this is just the tick mark that's before the 8-inch mark. It's just the 1/8 of an inch before the 8-inch mark, and it's really a simple measurement, but I have to use 8s for this box for it to come out right. And then the matte piece is 6 by 1 3/4. Look at the other side, how gorgeous this paper is. And I haven't used it in a while, and now I'm on a roll with it. But I didn't show you what's inside here. I'm just going to slide the ribbon off of here. But you can put any candy in it. You can even put jewelry in it. It's about a good size box for jewelry. But I got these Dove eggs, and there's 2 eggs in here. And my grandkids love the peanut butter eggs, so I thought that would be super cute for that. So I'm just going to slide this ribbon back on because it's super cute with the ribbon. I put it on there pretty tight, so hopefully I can get it back on here. I think I can. What's that little train that says I think I can? I think I can. It's a little cartoon. It's so cute. Alright, let's not waste a lot of time doing that. Okay, you're going to need some chocolate chip ink. I just thought the black was too stark for this color. And then I'm also using the Myths and Magic glimmer paper. I use this for the St. Patrick's Day box. Also, I love this paper. It's Bermuda Bay Lemon Lime Twist, and then it has this beautiful white here. So we're using the white one this time. I'm using the, let's see, not this one. Oh, I covered up my punches. I'm using the 1 3/8 circle punch and the 1 1/4 circle punch, and I'm also using the classic label punch. And these are all for the sentiments and for the little bunny to cut him out. Alright, so let's get scoring on this. I'm just going to use my regular trimmer here this time. And we're going to score on the 7 7/8 inch side. We're going to score this one at 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to score it on this side. It's so much easier. So 3/4 3/4 of an inch and 7 1/8. Or you can also just do 3/4 on both sides. All right, and then we're going to turn it and we're going to score it at 3/4, 2 3/4, 3 1/2, 5 1/2, and that's it. All right, so let's get cutting this. So what you're going to do is you can pick either side, but you are going to need to cut one corner here, and then you're going to cut the other side here as well. And then we're going to cut into these. I am cutting out a little sliver so it's easier to fold in. We're going to do the same on this one. And then exact same thing on this side. And this one. Okay, let's sharpen the score marks here first. And then I'm going to show you how we put it together. I love this box. It's so cute. And I just love the bunny. And I've been dying to use them, so that's why. And I know before we know it, Easter is going to be here, so we need to get moving on our projects. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm also going to cut, let's see, this top part because it's going to fold into our box. So that's the top part that folds in, and then I'm going to also cut into here, and I'm going to shorten this. It folds a lot better if you shorten that. So it folds inside the box. So this is the top part that we're cutting. That's going to fold into your box. So it's going to look like that. So you're going to have these shorter ones, and this is the part that's going to fold, I'll show you, inside our box. So we're going to add adhesive. Use your tear and tape or your fast fuse for this, or you can also use the Tombow, but you know, the Tombow takes a little bit longer to dry. So, but I do love using the Tombow too. It works really good. It's just quicker for me in the video to use the fast fuse. So we're just going to fold these up. And then this is the top that folds inside. Just like that. So that's your box. So let's go ahead and mat it. You can use, you know, this would be really pretty this side for a Mother's Day box if you wanted to put jewelry or just candy, little candies or something in it. That would be really pretty too. Right, so we're matting that. Let me get out my Whisper White, and you just need a little scrap and my chocolate chip ink here. I'm going to stamp, I think I'm going to stamp the circle first, and then we'll stamp the bunny inside. He's so cute. Look how cute he is. Alright, while we're at it, let's just go ahead and stamp our Happy Easter. and our Just For You. Okay, so I don't want to smear those, so I'm going to cut this off here. And we're going to use our Stampin' Blends, and we're using the dark pink pirouette, and this one is the light crumb cake. So I'm going to use the little narrow side. We're going to use the pink for his bow. And I'm just coloring it. I'm not doing any shading for his little nose and inside his ears. He's so cute. And then the crumb cake, we're going to just color him all in the crumb cake. If you want to shade him, he's really small, so you don't really have to shade him. I love these alcohol markers. They're awesome. They're so smooth, no little lines or anything. I love these. So look how cute he is. Look at how cute. So adorable. Alright, so we're going to use our 1 1/4 inch to punch him out. I then am going to use my glimmer paper, and we're going to punch the 1 3/8 out of the glimmer paper. And then for the scalloped one, I used my circle layering circles, and I used this scallop right here, which is a 1 1/2 inch scallop. And I went ahead, so I didn't have to bring the big shot up for just that, and I already went ahead and did that one. Just ran it through the big shot. Alright, so let's put these together. We're going to put the bunny on the glimmer paper. And I'm using the fast fuse because it holds it onto the glimmer paper a lot better. So look at that. Look how cute. Can you see that? I love this little bunny. He's so cute. And then we're going to put that on here. Oops. Oh yeah, that's how I did it. I was thinking that I layered the little sentiments in there, but I put them behind. Alright, so we have our little bunny all matted up. And I'm going to get the classic label, and we're going to punch out the Happy Easter. And then the Just For You. And we are going to grab a dimensional, and I'm going to put a couple on the back. And then I'm going to put the sentiments behind this. I'm just going to use some snail for that. You can even cut these a little bit shorter. And then we're going to put that on top. Yep. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab the ribbon. And I'm going to try to do this on the spool. I did it on the spool last time, so just layer these. And, you know, whenever I do something on the camera, it doesn't want to let me do it. And I'm just tying a knot. It's a little bit more difficult to tie a knot with double ribbon. So let's see if I can do this. I usually have to stand up and make a funny face to get. No, I did it. How about that? And then we'll trim the ends here. It's so pretty. I love it layered, the ribbons layered. So that is it. Look how cute. This one's empty, of course. This one's a lot heavier because it's got the goodies in it. But look how cute. So if you need any supplies for this project, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Don't forget, celebration's still going on. This is the last month for it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my project, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks everyone. I hope you have a blessed day and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.